got Biggie Small, sounds like a drill. The death sweat suits me, a death threat provides a thrill. I've seen the world, I've kissed all the pretty girls, I've said my goodbyes, and now I'm ready to die.
So, I was on Skype with Miguel. And he fell asleep. And he was snoring into the... His dad just woke him up, but he was snoring. That's pretty funny. Because I was doing my own thing and I didn't remember he was there. And he just kept making noise. Like deep breathing. Oh my gosh. This is making me laugh. I didn't get my camera fast enough because his dad just woke him up, but he was sleeping. It was pretty funny. Okay, that's all. Okay, I just got done with tutoring. Well, it was tutoring, but there was no learning going on, so I don't die. Yeah, it was mostly just talking and stuff, but you know, that's okay, I guess. Yeah, it's probably dark and you can't see me, but that's okay. Yeah, I'm driving home, and I really didn't get too much footage today. Actually, I think this is pretty much all the footage I have for today, but that's not too big of a deal. I didn't go to Taco Tuesday this week. I don't know why exactly. I don't know, I just wasn't really feeling up to it, and I know I have homework to do, so I should probably do that at some point, but otherwise I didn't really do much today. I have like 14 minutes of Mark just sitting there quietly in class, but I don't think I should put that up considering no one wants to see that, so I won't do that. But I could. I always have that option. 14 minutes of Mark Gross. Yep. I feel like school is almost over. It should be, hopefully. Tomorrow, or next week, is STAR testing, so hopefully, I do some fun stuff next week because they are minimum days. So, yeah. That'd be fun. Yeah. Ooh, car almost came out. So, yeah. It is Tuesday, and the week is just barely starting, sadly. But yeah, so I think that's all for today. Alright, bye.